Hello, this is Z the Third, and in this video I'm going to be explaining how to solve return negative in Codewars. This is an 8 Caillou task. It is pretty basic. Here's what you want to do. So what the task is to get a number and to convert it into its negative equivalent. So just do return abs. Abs means absolute. And so if the thing that the user has entered was -5, absolute will be 5. If it was positive 10, the absolute number will be 10. So it will be the absolute of the number, and you want to times it by -1, as any number times by -1 makes it into a negative. And it works. Hope this helped.